Monile, tampokelerani, vamama, vadada, na vachinyamata. My name is Lorraine Masia Mponera, your language friend, Malawian language friend. Welcome to my channel, Chitumbuka na Lorraine. So in this video, we are looking at 3 or more combination of words, sounds, vowels and consonants. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so we are continuing with reading Werenga. A, E, O, U. So there's a combination of 2 consonants and a vowel. We have BWA, which is bwa, bwe, bwe. We don't have one with O and U. We don't have bo, bo, no. But bwa, bwe. Dwa, dwe, dwe. Fwa, fwe, fwe. Gwa, gwe, gwe. Wa, we, we. Mwa, mwe, mwi. Wa, pwe, pwi. Rwa, rwe, rwi. Swa, swe, swi. Pwa, pwe, pwi. Vwa, vwe, vwi. Zwa, zwe, zwi. It's a mistake. I should have put a ZW. Okay. No, ZGI. ZGI is coming in a minute. Okay. Here we are combining also 2 letters. The first one we're putting on the middle W. This one we're putting H up to here, H in the middle. So these are the words that have H sound on the middle. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Just like this. A, E, O, U. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Ra, 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 re, ri. Ro, ru. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Of course, if it's English words like phone, phone, probably we'll read the same phone because we know phone, but otherwise it's po. Sha, she, shi, sho, shu. Ta, te. This is not the te. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Okay. So some of these can have an N at the beginning, like in ta, in te, in ti, in to, in tu. You just add N at the beginning. Moon tu, umoon tu. It has NTHU. Some don't use the H, but we use H. Same with the sha, in sha, in she, in shin, in show. You just add N. Ka, you add N here, in ka, in ke, in ki, in ko, in ku. Cha, you add the N at the beginning. Nja, nje, nji, njo, nju. Nchombo, wamana, nchombo means umbilicus. So, yeah. My own photo is getting on the way. Okay, sorry, we've missed something. Okay, here. This one, I see some words nowadays where we are using PFA. So it's fa. There's a P, but it's sort of silent. You mention it, but at the same time, you don't mention it. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu, sa, se, fi, Fyo. Fyo. For example, a child will say ndapya. It could be PSA. Fya, ndapya, meaning I've bent myself. Ndapya. Yeah, we'll have a Y. We are going into Y in a minute once we've done this. So same here. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Okay. It's rare that you might use some, but you need to be aware of them so you are not surprised too much. So where is this coming from? The same BZA, bza, bze, bzi, bzo, bzu, da, de, di, do, do. Sometimes we also, it's like there's a missing U when you see something with an apostrophe. But sometimes we don't use the apostrophe. So like my name is Imponera because it's MPO. I don't know why it's not appearing here, but maybe it's appearing in the next slide. But yeah, nza, nze, nzi, nzo, nzo. So like, what name can I use? Like Mzuzu is a city in Malawi. It will be written MZU without an apostrophe. So yeah, but sometimes some people, if they don't know how it's spelled, they'll put MUZU. But sometimes U is missed. We skip the U, like Mponera, Mzuzu. Nza, nze, nzi, nzo, nzo. Just combine the sound, the accent, how N combined with the Z. Nza, jwa, jwe, jui. Mfa, mfe, mfi, mfo, mfu. Here is Mponera. Mpa, mpe, mpi, mpo, mpu. But yeah, so the apostrophe, it doesn't need to appear. You just put mpa, mpe, mpi, mpo, mponera. Nda, nde, ndi, ndo, ndu. Mfa, mfe, mfi. This one is repeating? Oh no, it's N. Okay. Mfa, mfe, mfi, mfo, mfu. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Njala, nja, nje, nja, nji. Njala means hunger. Nja, nji means train. Nja, nje, nji, njo, nju. Nka, nke, nki, nko, nku. We will go into verbs and nouns and traveling and all of this, sort of that. But yeah. Nsa, nka, nke, nki, nko, nku. Nsa, nse, nsi, nsa, nsu. Nta, nte, nti, nto, ntu. Nza, nze, nzi, nzo, nzu. Mva, mve, mvi, mvo, mvu. Usually we don't use N, we use M, MVA. Mvano, meaning it's a women's group at church. Okay, but that uses MVA. Mvano. Okay. Still on 3-letter words, 3-letter sounds, 2 consonants and a vowel. Bia, bia, bie. This is not by. It's bie, bia, bie, bie, bio, bio. Dia, die, di, dio, dio. Fia, fie, fi, fio, fio. Gia, gie, gie. Kia, kie, ki, kio, kio. You will hear this a lot because of one of the chiefs is Kyungu, so his name starts with KYU. Lia, Lie, even God, Kiala, but that's not Chitumbuka, but you will hear it often. People mentioning. Lia, Lie, Li, Lio, Lio, Nia, Nia, like as in cat. Meow, meow, nye, nye, meow, meow. Nya, nye, nye, nyo, nyo. Pia, pie, pi, pio, pio. Ria, rie, ri, rio, rio. sia, sie, si, sio, siu, tia, tie. This is not Thai. It's tie, tie, ti, tio, tiu, via, vio, via, vie, vi, vio, viu, zia, zie, zi, zio, ziu. We usually use this one, ZGA, ja. It's ja, but yeah, ZGA. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. So in Chitumbuka, mashujo, it mean jo would be written like this, mashujo, meaning problems. This is the final slide for this video and the final slide for alphabet. Unless there's a question, then we'll bring back the alphabet and the sound of letters and consonants, a combination, 3-letter, 4-letter, and 5. So this one has 5 and 4 and 5. So we can combine, we have a lot of things that are combined, a lot of 3 or more consonants and a vowel. All words in the Chitumbuka, it has to have a vowel. There's nothing like, for example, just MP. It will not end there, but it has to be MPA or MPO, or, you know. So just like here, MBW can't just be on its own. There has to be a vowel with it. So this is mbwa, mbwa, mbwe, mbwe. We have a fruit called mbwanga. This is how it is mbwa. Ncha, nche, nchi, ncho, nchu. Excuse me. There's a game usually men play, but it's for everyone. Nchuba. So this is nchu, nchuba. Ncha, nche, ncha. This is without n. Cha. Oh, sorry. What have we done? Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Ncha, nche, nchi, ncho, nchu. Nka, nke, nki, nko, nko. You should listen to how N is coming through. Nkwa, nkwe, nkwi, nko, nku. I can't remember any words that starts with the O and U, but nkwa, nkwe, nkwi, yes. Nkwesa, manana nkwesa. Oh, this child is so stubborn, something like that. Nkwesa. Nkwali is a, we'll look into wild Guinea, wild animals in one of the videos. Yeah. This is Kwa. We have a place called Kwawa. This is how it's spelled. Kwa, Kwe, Kwi, Ko, Ku. I don't think we have these as well. The ones that I've underlined them. I don't think we have those sounds. Pwa, Pwe, Kwi. But yeah. Ntwa, Ntwe, Nkwi. Mpwa, Mpwe, Nkwi. Ngwa, Ngwe, Ngwi. Nga. We have this. There is a missing missing H. Nga, nge, ni, ngo, ngu. So like nganga, they like to spell it like that with an apostrophe. Nganga. And this one is ngwa, ngwe, ngwi. Yeah, ngwa, ngwe, ngwi. Ngo, ng. Tia, tie, ti, tio, tiu. Nta, nte, nti, nto, ntu. Nkwa, nkwe, nkwi, nko, nku. Okay. So yeah, this is it. Let me stop share. Okay, so now that we have put the alphabet vowels and consonants, sounds out of the way. But I really would encourage you to kind of like maybe even watch it twice so that you understand the gist of it, so you can grasp, so that you can read it when you say it, than reading it in English or in any other language that you know. Yeah. And so now we can get into other details. So the first one coming up is family. So hopefully to see you in the next video. Please like this video if you have learned something, and also subscribe to my channel so we can grow this channel together so many people can learn Chitumbuka. Naruta means bye.